the video and let's jump right into this question for SQL interview. This is a practice question for SQL interview. So the question says that we have to write a query that outputs the name of each credit card and the difference in the number of issued cards between the month with the highest issuance cards and the lowest issuance cards. Arrange the results based on the largest disparity. So if I have a card, so let's understand what the output will look like. So if I have a card, I want this difference. For a card, the month when we had the largest issuance and the month when we have the smallest issuance, those amounts, I want the difference between those amounts. And then I need to order the result by this value, this difference. So what we have in the table, let's see. Select star from monthly cards issued. And if I run this code, okay, and if I run this code, I get this. Now what I want to find the difference. So I'll say I want the card name and I want the issued amount as sum, and I also want the month when this issued amount happened. So I'll write issue month, and this would be sum issued amount. So I'll write this as, so since we are using an aggregate function, we'll use group by 1, 2, and with CTE as, I'll call this as a CTE as, and with CTE as, now I'll select from CTE. What do I want? I want the card name and this disparity of, let me call this column as amount. So what this CT is giving, this CT is giving us the card name, and for each card the months, like granularity of months, and for each month what was the amount. Now I want the card name and the maximum amount, the disparity, minus the minimum amount. So now we have the amounts for different months. Now we want the difference between the highest and the lowest for that card, and we will call this as diff. And again I'll group this by card name, and let's look at the output. This is what the output looks like. I need to order this by difference, and that too in descending order. That is, highest should be first. And let's submit this, and this is it. We have solved this question. So again, if you like this content, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.